The only way I see it, if you're gonna watch Shop Walk 37 and watch us build classic cars, you gotta buy 2 tickets to the gun show. Hey.
Howdy.
What are you doing?
I'm filming you.
Yeah.
Tell me what you're thinking right this second.
You got a camera in my face.
And?
That's it.
You gotta give me something.
Not much goes through here.
What'd you get in your package today?
Huh?
What'd you get in your package today? Can you say?
Maybe.
Oh, you got some more equipment, huh?
I did. I just got a couple of them, you know.
You're just getting all kind of tools, ain't you?
No.
Oh, no. So, yeah. No, that's shop gave you that one. That's right.
Yeah. Yeah, these are the true blocks. So far I like them a lot.
You like them?
He likes it too. He's got one.
Huh. Cool. Anything you want to say to your fans?
Well, somebody was talking to Zach and said, so she's just there for the YouTube, you know, being a girl,
Yeah.
get more likes and follows and stuff. And he's like, no, she really works. I really work.
They said that on his Facebook or
I think Facebook.
Instagram or something?
Yeah,
Huh. No, she works.
I work.
She been working on this thing for about a month now, probably, hasn't it? Or has
Yeah.
it been longer than that?
About a month.
Yeah. Yeah, she works. She's a hard worker.
Yeah. I work after work.
Work after work. She's been working on that.
But look, it's starting to look pretty.
Oh yeah, put in line. What's up?
How yours there?
See, you got your the hood on and the
bonnet?
grill surround
The
on.
The bonnet?
The bonnet. What about the boot?
No boot yet.
Hey, you forget. Well, you didn't know, but I was taught to fly by an Englishman, so I know about the boot and the bonnet.
Oh, so you made a nice little trip today, though. Scott's Hot Rod.
Yes, I did.
Did you go see old Justin down there?
Yes, sir.
Pick up a little beautiful frame.
Yes, we did.
Looks pretty sweet, don't it?
Watch this. Watch this. Tell you got to come here.
New guy.
Watch this.
New guy. Oh. Guess what?
What?
You just got schemed.
With what? I'm fired.
Camera. Camera.
He's mute.
Yeah, you don't talk.
Camera.
Camera.
Hey guys. Impression. New guy. You ready? That's pretty good. How about meet the crew? Creative Rods and Restoration.
I was actually thinking, what was that?
That's
SNL.
Jeremy. That's Zach, aka Big Block. That's, she got too many names to do.
That's Carl.
That's Travis. That's Tyler.
And that's
The camera. That's what you should call him.
Vincenzo
Corleone.
Corleone.
Just gonna name him Cannon.
Listen, I've been on the road 6 hours a day already.
Oh.
Is that all?
Three
been on the road.
3 hours up and 3 hours back.
That's a pretty good trip.
It's time to sing.
Yes.
It's time to sing. You gotta sing the song.
What song? On the road again?
Yeah. Come
On the
on.
road again.
We're gonna let you guys sing that.
Just can't wait to get on the road.
You gotta sing it. You gotta sing it.
You know what I think I'm gonna do tonight?
No.
I'm gonna shave my beard off. I'm gonna come in with some chops like that.
You gonna sing it?
On the road again.
They gonna be what?
My 4Runners broke down on the road again.
Chop 'em up here.
I need help from all my Creative Rods friends. Lord
So
help
he
me.
can get on the road again. Yeah.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah.
We should have did Carter because the BMW is broke down on the road again. His
He-
BMW's broke down on the road again. He snapped a serpentine belt and he needs help from his friends. I don't see the BMW getting back on the road again.
That's good. How about your version?
Stuck, look. He's got that good WWE wrestler eye. It's like he's getting ready to wrestle.
He
Like,
got that rock.
He plays that,
he
yeah.
does that.
White flag.
You gotta give us at least one part of the song.
On the road again.
You gotta sing it.
I did.
No, you said it. You gotta sing it.
On the road again.
Now you gotta do it.
I just can't wait to get on the road again.
There you have it, folks. Little
Actually,
sing
I don't
time.
want to get on the road again. I'm done. I think I gotta go back in like 3 weeks to pick up another frame. We busting out at Scott's
Hey.
Hot Rods, you know?
That's a good thing.
Yeah. Exactly. New frame in here from Scott's Hot Rods. Took a trip up to Knoxville, Tennessee today. This is for the 69 Olds 98. Guys are taking the LS3 out of box. Oh yeah.
Brand spanking new.
Didn't wait a week on her. No. So
Okay. How do you think your first week went?
Okay.
Pretty good.
Yeah. I enjoyed
Seriously.
it.
Seriously.
enjoyed it.
Yeah.
You shouldn't enjoy work.
Man, it's not about enjoying, it's about, you know,
About getting shit done.
about getting shit done. So, we just had a little talk. And, I know we've been joking about it. But we're gonna have to try to squeeze some stuff in here, you know. We need to get the workflow kind of up a little bit. So we might have to wait
Okay.
to continue. I know that's might be a little shocker. That and everybody in here just says they just don't like your ass.
I mean, so tell me what you think's gonna go on here on this paint off we got going on in there.
Well, first off, I ain't in there and I'm not participating for some reason. And
Well,
I
there's
think
only
you're gonna
4
have
wheels.
some. I know. Where's the spare?
I don't know if he's got one.
Well, I guess since he's not gonna paint, and everybody else in there thinks they can paint, I'm gonna say I think Nate's gonna win.
You think Nate's gonna
I
win?
think he's gonna win. He's gonna like pull some magic from somewhere and just do
Well,
it.
I picked Nate too, and Travis picked new guy. So it's gonna be interesting. And
Cause Nate ain't never painted nothing here, right? No. All right. See, I think he's gonna pull some magic out of somewhere.
okay, this is what we're doing here. Travis has got straws here. Y'all gonna pick straws to see who goes first, second, third, fourth.
I got numbers on.
Got numbers on them. While the person is in there painting, the rest of us are gonna be outside and y'all gonna have to commentate on the work while they're painting, okay? The third and final thing is, that we just came up with, to see who's really good, is you gotta paint with the opposite hand.
I can do that. That's okay.
I'm just kidding. Y'all paint with whatever hand you want to. Alright, so we're gonna pick straws, and then we're gonna go out and commentate. Jeremy's got his.
Don't say yet.
Don't say your number yet.
Pick a number.
Big Block got his.
Don't show yet.
New guy's got his. Nate Dogg got his. Alright, who's number one? Who's number one? Oh, new guy's number one. Up on the plate. Who's on deck? Jeremy's on deck.
No, new guy on deck.
New guy's up to bat. Jeremy's on
Hey,
deck.
I ain't got no number. I got it.
Did I cut it off?
You the only one that's seen
Are you
it.
painting?
Get up.
She excluded you.
Are you painting or going to Eskimo out? Alright, so y'all stay
Hey, don't be
tuned.
jealous. You can't look as good.
New
as
guys up first. We'll be recording here in just a minute. Hold on, we got Kristen here, and she's gonna do our new word of the day. And go ahead with it.
The word of the day is spearmint. They about to experiment on painting stuff. See who's gonna win.
Huh? Spearmint.
Spearmint. They about to spearmint.
Okay, here goes Big Block. He getting ready to epoxy his wheels. I had to brake for a customer, but you see there's two wheels already epoxied in there. New guy and Jeremy. Anything you can tell us so far in the judging on the first part of it?
Zach's the only one that hit the edges first, which is very important. Nobody else really hit the edges.
How many coats they gonna do?
Jeremy, Tyler was the only one that tacked off anything before they started painting.
New guy.
The new guy. Jeremy put the paint on better than the rest of them. They were scared to coat it. He put it on like I would, but he threw the hose in the floor, which is a no-no. And Nate had sprayed it.
We've epoxied it and got the first coat of white on there.
Yeah.
What's your thoughts so far?
Well, it looks like everybody's wheel's wider than mine, or yellower.
So that mean they put on more paint on the first coat?
They put that first coat on pretty heavy.
Is that good or bad?
Well, it depends.
We've got some predictions from the shop here who's gonna win.
I've never sprayed this brand of single stage before, so I don't know how it's gonna act. So that's why I went light on my first coat a little bit, so I can
Well, that's smart.
not get myself in trouble right out of the get-go.
Dang,
Yeah.
that boy is going to town, ain't he?
That guy, he moves so fast the paint even can't even hit the panel. But I've seen him wiping off runs. It was dripping.
Well, who's your prediction to win?
Who's mine? I don't know yet. It's hard to tell. It ain't
Well, you
gonna
gotta
be
make
me.
a prediction.
I don't know.
Oh man, I got.
We'll say Tyler.
We're gonna say Tyler, new guy.
Tyler, new guy.
Who's your prediction is gonna win the spray off?
I'm gonna have to go with Ty Yeller, just because he's the underdog.
New guy.
Yeah, new guy.
Who's your prediction on the spray off?
Tyler,
New guy.
new guy.
Dang. Okay, my prediction for the winner is Nate Dogg. New guy.
Yep.
What's your prediction? Who's gonna win?
I think they're all gonna look the same. Nate put it on a little light the first go round. I think he's gonna hammer it these next two. It might flow out a little bit.
So are you picking Nate Dogg or is that just a comment?
That's just a comment.
I mean, you
They'll
can
all look pretty good.
you can say yourself. I mean, you know,
Humble.
humble. So you got a prediction?
I just hope we don't have to repaint him yet. That's it.
So Zach, want to know how you felt it went, and you got any predictions on the winner?
Well, sometimes I have a tendency to be too nice of a guy. I just kind of went in there, did my thing, come back out, didn't worry too much about it. Just try to give these other guys a shot, you know.
Huh? So that's your prediction,
That's
huh?
my prediction. Just trying to open the window up for other guys, you know.
Well, we've got a poll going online right now, and people are commenting on the winner. So we'll have to check that out and see. I saw your name on a few of them, though.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Just on a few?
Well, the few I
I
looked
see
at.
how it is, folks. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I'm being the nice guy, trying to go easy on these guys and give them a chance, and then I get daggum.
Hey,
I'm hurt.
he's a little sensitive, ain't he?
I think he's butt hurt.
He didn't even let me finish my comment. I'm at that. Maybe I only looked at a few.
Butt hurt.
I mean, so what's going on with this 59 Impala?
Just finished putting his new drums and pads on. We
got to get some new soft lines because these ones are starting to crack. Yeah, but hopefully we can try to fire it up today. Got to put spark plugs on it, or spark plug wires.
Got the plugs in yesterday.
Plugs are in, just got to do the wires. And it should be ready to fire up.
What's going on, Carter?
I'm taking a nap and masking it with making it look like I'm drilling out a bolt.
Oh, you got your finger glued down to that drill?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I'm just taking a nap.
Huh. Yeah, he's taking a nap too. Hey, Travis! Hey! These boys over here, they got their fingers glued down to the... They both taking naps. What y'all doing?
Well, we just examining Nate Dogg's.
Oh, wow. Look at that. That's custom. He said it was going to look like a candle when he got done.
No, it looked like a melted candle.
Dang.
What I don't understand is why I couldn't participate. I could have had a good running chance.
A good running
Yeah.
chance.
No pun intended. Huh.
And they want me to
Has
cut
Nate
it
Dogg
out.
seen that yet?
Not since it's been
I think we need to go back there and talk to him about it.
I just told him in one.
Take it.
Okay.
Take it back here.
All right, we're gonna come back here and see what old Nate Dogg's got to say about his paint job yesterday. How you doing, Nate Dogg? What's that?
I'm putting this door together.
Yeah. Well, how'd the paint off go yesterday?
I don't know.
You don't know? You hadn't heard results yet?
I heard a little bit.
Can I interrupt you from your work for a minute? I gotta ask you a question.
What's behind your back?
I gotta ask you a question about something. I want you to inspect somebody's work.
Do I need to step away from this door?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I think I already know what it is.
Let's. I want you.
Whoa! Where did those come from?
I want you to look at that right there and tell me what you think about that.
Well, that's just a little bit of extra material.
Well, you did say yours was gonna look like a candle when you were done.
Yeah, a melted candle.
Huh.
So, yeah, I got a little gun. Trigger happy. It happens.
Yeah, I know what it was.
What's that?
It wasn't your gun that you were spraying with.
This is true. I've never sprayed with that type of gun before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you know.
I'm used to the Wagner power sprayer.
From Lowe's or Home Depot?
Whichever one has the better deal. I have found the paint sprayers at Harbor Freight work pretty well too.
Huh.
So they don't last as long.
So that's the reason, huh?
Well, the other one looks good, right?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't get past that one yet.
Well, I mean, I can sand that out. I'm used to sanding out runs and stuff around here.
So Nate Dogg, what's been going on this week on the Bronco?
We're working on it. No, we got some more parts in here. As you can see, we're
You got the
putting
vent
the
glass in.
vent glass.
Oh yeah.
Getting all this, trying to get these seals in.
You got all. Oh yeah. You got the seals all the way around.
Yeah, just getting ready to snap these bottom ones in, all that good stuff. Got the side panels wrapped. They were black, had to modify them. Wrap them to match. Working on the carpet.
Waiting for some stuff to come in for that.
We installed the radiator, which had been installed, but then we put the electric fan in. Had to do a little modifications.
Nothing always fits in, does it?
Never does. So that's waiting for parts, more parts.
All right. Well, any parting words for this week's shop walk?
Well, you didn't tell me who won.
Well, you'll see later.
Oh, I will?
Yeah.
I just know I don't have any fans on Facebook.
You had a few.
No, not on Facebook.
Oh.
Instagram.
Oh, did you see Facebook this morning?
Uh-uh.
New guy rocked it. I mean, I think he went home and told his friends to vote for him. Because he had like 10 of them.
I had no love from Facebook.
But, you know, I picked you.
I know.
And you picked new guy.
I know.
So, we'll see.
I held my own.
Yeah.
Runs and all.
Nate Dogg out.
Peace.
What we got going on here, Carter?
Right here we are going to lower the body down onto the new Scott's Hot Rods frame.
What is that?
It is a 69 Olds 98.
Oh, yeah.
Convertible two-door.
People have been wondering what that motor's going in.
Oh, yeah, it's going in there. It'll be quick.
Now, you're going to actually put the motor in it before you finally put it on the front?
Yeah.
Well, the front end's not on it, so you'll put the motor in it before you put the front clip back on it?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Yes. So, you got us? All right. Yesterday, you know, we had our panel paint off, and we actually had two competitions in one. One was the wheels, and the other was the other parts. So we had a tie yesterday between Big Block and Nate Dogg. So today, what we're doing, as you can see, we've got the golf cart here. Professor T and Tyler are going to show us what the obstacle course is, and what they're going to do is each one of them are going to drive the obstacle course with a co-pilot. They're going to be blindfolded, the drivers, and the co-pilot's got to tell them how to make it around the course. So whoever wins that competition is the overall winner. So right now, Professor T and Tyler are going to take a lap around what the course is to show them what they got to do. So check it out. Y'all go ahead. Come on in the camera.
Chase is a race.
Hey, tell them what you did last night in preparation for this race.
I watched Ricky Bobby. I brought my Jack Hawk 9000.
What'd you do last night? Well, you didn't even know you were a winner, did you?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit? Did you do anything? Did you like go out and Joe Dirt and practice?
I use the bathroom a lot to reduce weight.
Oh, drag. I got you.
I'm kind of at a disadvantage.
Stage 1 weight reduction.
I ain't taking my morning dump, so I got an extra 10 pounds on board.
I know.
All right, what's happening here?
All right, we got names of everybody else.
Y'all slide in. I can't get you in the picture. No.
They gonna pick,
Did they get to pick?
and
They got-
whoever they pick, that's their co-pilot.
Okay. And then,
This is for their co-pilot. That way it's fair.
all right.
So y'all gotta do rock, paper, shoot to see who goes first.
drove farthest.
He drove.
Yeah, so he gets to go first.
Okay.
Unless we flip a coin.
Go ahead, Zach.
Pick this one.
All right. Nate Dogg.
Woo!
All right,
I'm out.
Zach. Who'd you get?
I might be. This is gonna be either be a good thing or a bad thing.
Who you got?
I got old Professor T.
How you get in there? You can't get in there. Who you got?
I can't really read that, but
Kristen.
Kristen and Professor T.
yeah, you weren't even looking at the course, were you?
All right. Pick a number between 1 and 10.
Got it.
Tell me. Tell me.
I thought you were going to
4.
Pick a number between 1 and 10.
5.
You go first.
No!
Because I had a number. It was 7. You're closest to it.
A lighter.
That means,
Now you go first.
no, that means it goes second.
You got to turn it.
Listen,
He can't be poking a hole through.
who's running this thing?
All right, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm blindfolded and everything. Hold on. Where'd that?
I don't think.
Hey, y'all, who's got the drone? Okay, Nate Dogg got the first draw. His co-pilot is Twisted Hair Tie Christie, and he is blindfolded. He's going to be the first one on the obstacle course. So here it goes, folks. Okay, so now we got Big Block up. He's putting on his blindfold, and his co-pilot is Professor T. So Nate Dogg got 2 minutes and 31 seconds. 2 minutes and 30 seconds for Nate Dogg. That was with a 10-second penalty for hitting the box twice. So guys, we are here, and Nate Dogg is the winner of the paint off, the panel paint off today. Nate Dogg and its co-pilot, pilot Twisted Hair Tie Christie.
Almost killed me, but we're good.
Tell us how it was.
It was slow, but fast.
Yeah.
I didn't have no power.
Hey,
He's
hey,
in
if you
my
ain't
victory.
I didn't have no power.
Hey, if you ain't, if you ain't,
no power.
hey, if you ain't first, you're last.
I didn't have
If
no
you ain't
power.
first,
Sit
you're
down,
last.
Ricky.
I'm on fire. I'm on fire.
I'd like to thank our sponsors.
Shut
Shut up, loser! Our sponsors, Goober Taxi Service. They're always late, but they'll be there sometime. We got Blue Streak. We got Creative Rods. I'd like to thank my co-pilot, Kristen. And I think the car's done for.
Yeah, I think she was smoking.
all the gas.
I think the steering wheel broke. Hey, it was putting out some smoke too, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a little smoky. Plus, you know, car ran good. It was doing pretty good. And,
What do you got to say, Twisted Hair Tie Christie?
I wanted to try.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can try.
But they broke it.
Hey, we can duct tape that wheel back together and do it.
Oh man. He
we
did
are
good.
not responsible for any casualties that happened on the course. That was not us. But
And no animals were hurt in this video.
and no animals and no rats got free rides.
That's right. Woo! Nate Dogg, he's the winner! Hey, who said Nate Dogg was gonna win? Me and you, didn't we?
That's right.
Yep.
It wasn't about this. Through that road course.
Go on, get.
Where's Barney? That's what I think about that.
Hey, we got another. Hold on. We got a big announcement. Hey, everybody, come in here. We got a big announcement. Big announcement. Come over here on this side. I need everybody. I need everybody in the line where I can get you. Everybody, Tyler. Tyler. Well, what we want to do since listen, it'll be all right, Big Block. It'll be all right. This ain't your moment though right now. Listen, we have decided the big announcement is, should we tell them now or not? Welcome aboard, Tyler. You're full time now. New guy is no longer new guy. He is Tyler.
No, Carter, what is it?
Ty Yeller.
Ty Yeller? I like
Ty
that.
Yeller.
Ty Yeller.
What's wrong? Y'all slide over next to each other. Y'all, hey, y'all gonna be best buddies, I know.
You got to do one thing though.
What's that?
Just stand there.
Kind of gaze off. Nate Dogg, you do the same that way.
Look down. Look at it.
Y'all kind of look at each other.
All I know is I'm going out here.
Looking at his butt.
No, y'all look at each other. Yeah. Now shake hands. Now hug each other. I told y'all was gonna be best friends.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Shop Walk. If you're enjoying these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you next Friday at 7 p.m.